Hello and welcome to 2024. My name is Reverend Bonnie, and today we are doing Lesson 61 in A Course of Miracles. And these are new lessons, these aren't reviews. So here we go. Lesson 61, I am the light of the world. Who is the light of the world except God's Son? This then is merely a statement of truth about yourself. It is the opposite of a statement of pride or arrogance or self-deception. It does not describe the self-concept you've made. It does not refer to any of the characteristics with which you have endowed your idols. It refers to you as you were created by God, by Source, by the only thing that is. It simply states the truth. To the ego, today's idea is the epitome of self-glorification, but the ego does not understand humility, mistaking it for self-debasement. Humility consists of accepting your role in salvation and taking no other. It is not humility to insist you cannot be the light of the world if that is the function that God has assigned to you. It is only arrogance that would assert this function cannot be for you, and arrogance is always of the ego. True humility requires that you accept today's idea because it's God's voice which tells you it is true. This is the beginning step in accepting your real function on earth. It is a giant stride toward taking your rightful place in salvation. It is a positive assertion of your right to be saved and an acknowledgement of the power that it has given you to save others. You will want to think about this idea as often as possible today. It is the perfect answer to all illusions and therefore to all temptation. It brings all the images you have made about yourself to the truth and helps you depart in peace, unburdened, and certain of your purpose. As many practice periods as possible should be undertaken today, although each need not exceed a minute or two. They should begin with telling yourself, I am the light of the world. This is my only function. That is why I am here. I am the light of the world. This is my only function. This is why I am here. Then think about these statements for a short while, preferably with your eyes closed if the situation permits. Let a few related thoughts come to you and repeat the idea to yourself if your mind wanders away from the central thought. Be sure both to begin and end the day with a practice period. Thus, you will awaken with an acknowledgement of the truth about yourself, reinforce it throughout the day, and turn to sleep as you reaffirm your function and your only purpose here. These two practice periods may be longer than the rest if you find them helpful and want to extend them. Today's idea goes far beyond the ego's petty views of what you are and what your purpose is. As a bringer of salvation, this is obviously necessary. This is the first of a number of giant steps we will take in the next few weeks. Try today to begin to build a firm foundation for these advances. You are the light of the world. God has built her plan for the salvation of her Son in you. All right, I changed the gender there, just knowing that God is so much bigger than our concept of any gender. So go in peace, and I will see you tomorrow. Love and blessings. I am and you are the light of the world.